to A Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Don't forget to click that little button on the right to subscribe to my channel. Keep you up to date on what's going on in the world of energy and all these different things that are going on, of course, at ashotofjoe.com. And right now, I want to talk to you today about the lunar eclipse coming up. And as you probably already know, on May 10th, which was this week, we started what's called a Mercury Retrograde. That's the time when energy gets a little slower, things kind of slow down. Now, this specific one that we're having, and this will go on till June 3rd, but this one that we're having now is really about what I'm calling cycle busting, meaning you're ending old cycles that no longer work for you. So if there's anything in your life that isn't working, cycles that you've been holding on to, these could be belief system cycles, job cycles, relationship cycles, health cycles, I don't care what it is. This is a cycle buster. This is going to be a time to let go of this old energy, these old things that aren't serving you anymore. Now, a lot of times it's hard for us to let go because we're conditioned to hold on to things, but this is going to be a time to say, I need to elevate, and I cannot elevate myself if I'm holding on to the past and holding on to all these old things. The other thing I want you to focus on is the eclipse. So the eclipse is coming up. It'll be the 15th or 16th, which will be Sunday, Monday for us, May 15th, 16th coming up, depending on where you're located. Now, a lunar eclipse is always about internal shifting, not external. Solar is more external, lunar is more internal. So you want to look at your life right now and say, what have I been working on? What internal changes? Because the bottom line is this, the internal shifting is what creates the external changes in your life. We have to start internally. So the lunar eclipse brings us into our inner selves. It makes us look at ourselves. It's a great time to contemplate. It's a great time to look at what you're doing. It's a great time to focus on where you want to go and say to yourself, what am I holding on to? What internally feelings about myself? Maybe you feel guilt, shame, unworthiness, anything that you're holding on to from the past that is no longer necessary. We don't need it anymore. We're moving into higher vibration. Right now is the time to love yourself. So this is a time to really focus on self-love. It's also a time to just really appreciate who you are. And I don't mean this in an egoic way. And I don't mean this in a, hey, here I am kind of way, but more of just saying, really love yourself for who you are. Understand that you are perfect for your journey. You're exactly who you're supposed to be in this journey. And all we want to do as humans is be the best version of ourselves. So keep that in mind as you go forward. So love yourself. Anything that does not support loving yourself now, you want to let go of. Allow this lunar eclipse, take some quiet time, sit down. It'll help you really zone in on where you're going as you move forward. So enjoy it. It's going to be a great time. Also, my new book just came out, which is over my shoulder here, Cracking the Rich Code. It's in the description if you want to get it. I have a special offer for all of you for checking me out and being on my channel. So check it out. It's a compilation book with Jim Britt, Kevin Harrington from Shark Tank, endorsed by Tony Robbins and many others. So I was asked to be a part of it. Very exciting. So it's available now. So don't forget, look at your inner self, focus on who you are, and love yourself. I'll see you soon.